Welcome to all. Today we are going to solve another master question, very important question, because my purpose is to see that you get complete grip. So, but one thing important, see, another master question for pin jointed plane frames with two hinged support. Somebody will ask, sir, where is hinge here? Wait, two hinged supports with, see, I have to put a sketch here. So I have space problem. So I will dictate now. Two hinged support. This I have been telling from part 5, 6 classes or 15, 20 times I told. With two hinged supports with only one member connected to one of the hinges and no member connecting the two hinges. I will explain. Okay. Actually, need not explain. Already told. But use method of sections. Okay. This question. Question is here. I wrote question here because I am removing this one now. See. Later, you require one reference sketch for method of sections. Or if you are writing examination, this question is printed in the question paper. Okay. When you solve here, draw a neat sketch. That I will write now. Okay. Now, question is find axial forces in members. See, I wrote here BC, CE, ED, then BC, BEEF, BC, BEEF, here. AB, BF, EF, lastly AF, AB, AF and FG. This all I will tell, okay, by method of sections. Now, before you proceed further, make a note. I will dictate in the class. This question, what we are solving today, question 47, question is here, they want to solve by method of sections. Is already solved earlier, part 5, lecture 26, question number 31, where it was not method of sections, it was method of joints, where we found, actually, we found means problem. Actually, I found. If you have already solved, okay, then you consider we found. Otherwise, you write he found. Okay. We found axial forces in all members. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All members by method of joints. And we got, rather I got, if you have solved, we got no place to write here axial force. P stands for axial force. See, in order written here AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, AF, BF, BE and CE. These are the answer we got. T means tension, C means compression. Unit there is no place to write here. All above values in kilonewton. Make a note. Okay. Now, those who want can go back, solve and get the answer. Okay. Now, I will solve this question here. See. Wait 1 minute now. This I am removing. See. When I write next sketch, I won't write this way. See. 2.4, 2.1, 3, 3.5. That is the main linear dimensions. Angle solve, I will mark and tell you. Okay. Now, this I will make a note somewhere. See. Somewhere there I will make a note for my reference, because why? What is the question number all? I will make a note. You don't bother. Somewhere there, downside, or I can see some, or in a paper. I wrote somewhere in the paper there. So I look there. I told, if I look there, I will be only looking at something told in the class earlier. Not something for teaching. Like, see, if I want to teach something, now see, 20 into 8 minus, that way I never teach. I teach, see, that's all I have got. But space problem is there. So, these 4 sets Somewhere there, I will write. I will look, you can see the angle of looking, see, in that corner I will write there. I will look there and write once again. Okay, I will start now. We will start. This I have not removed. I want it to be there. Okay, now start here. Don't see this one. Already over. See. This question given. Now, class. That is the question given. For solving by method of sections, see, MOS means short form. We require reference sketch. Draw that sketch once again, neatly. Now do one thing. See, I already told you something if you remember. See, this A and G, they are not fixed. See, like in cantilever beam all. See, something rubbed out there. Okay, I don't know where. Okay. See, this A and G, it is not fixed like this, where you get reacting moment. It is not fixed. This is some surface or maybe a wall or something like that. So, these are all pin joints. See here. I written pin joints here. This is actually a hinged support, pinned. So even if they give this way, remember this is not fixed. First of all, pin jointed plane frames, here fixity will not come, because if fixity is there here, reacting moment will come. Then bending will come, bending shear will come. We don't consider bending shear. Of course, one thing. Each member pinned at the ends, due to self-weight, they will be bending and shear. That is ignored, not considered here. So, we don't consider bending. So, there is no reacting moment here. Hinge has got vertical reaction, horizontal reaction. This I told. So, even if they give something like a fixed support here, when you write, see, you show a pin here, show a pin here. Okay, then, just to make them happy, do one thing. See, just to make them happy. See here. The one who gave the question, he should be happy. Oh, yes, he will tell. How I wrote, same way he wrote. Remember? Now, very important, see, make a note here. This is not a member. Not a member. Examinations all, you don't have to write that one, not a member. Therefore, now see, I told, pin jointed plane frames with the two hinged support, see here, support, with, I told, only one member connected to one of the hinges. Yes, see here, only one member. And no member connecting the two hinges. Okay, this is the question. Now leave it. Now this is a neat question now. Now something I am telling the class. You should correctly write what all I tell. See, what all I tell you should write. If you are interested. Class. Somewhere I wrote if. You have to write 1 minute here. This reference sketch, you have to write 4 times. If you have to get the complete control on this method, because there are 4 sections. See, one section will come this way, next will come this way, next will come this way, next will come this way. If you use the same sketch, so many sections become mix up like a traffic jam. You treat each of this as independent question. For each question, you write this one, or do one thing, take Xerox copy of this one, photo of this one. Take 3 Xerox. Why? One is already there, original. For the first question, we will use this sketch. When I start second question, this sketch, what I am doing, what section I wrote earlier, I am removing. So you attach the Xerox copy and write it here. I already told it. If you want to get the complete control, see, when you are learning, it is very important. You should carry out everything, I insist. Okay, now, this, see, Manisha, BCCEED, BCBEEF, ABBFEF, ABAFFG. Yes, I noted down there in the paper. Okay, now this I will remove. So see here now, 2.4. The 2.4 is not clear here in the question. I don't know why it came that way. Due to some reason, question, okay, I'll write 2.4 meter, given in the question, 2.4, 2.1 meter, 3 meter, and 3.5. See here, 2.4, 2.1, 3. This height is 3.5. A, B, C, D, all are written. Okay, now, this I am removing. Okay, I can remove that one because why? It is no longer required. See, yes, here. Luckily, I got it today. Okay, this I will remove. That I am not removing. That is something else, just a reference for us. What happened long back, we made a note. Okay, now see here. This is the question here. Now, see. Now, make a note what all I tell in the class, right? As you solve later, you may require CE distance. You may require BF distance. Why? Suppose I take moment about E, see, 12 into this distance. If I take moment about this point, 12 into this distance. So what all required, today I will find now only. See, what you can do is, you may require CE and BF. Actually what you do is, you find it when you require it. In the beginning, don't waste time. In method of joint, you have to find everything. Okay, then also, see, for this inclined member, you may require angle. See, if this member or this member or this member comes for any calculation, you require this angle. If this member comes for calculation, you require this angle. If this member comes for calculation, you require this angle. Suppose the first question is this member, this member, this member. If that is the question, you find only theta 1. Don't waste time for theta 2. Which member you require, there, if that member is inclined, find the angle. Okay, now, all these I should not explain very, very thoroughly. See here, very, very thoroughly, green color. The green color values are very, very thoroughly explained in question 31, that lecture 26. Or, see here, similar triangles. See, 3 point, you stand here, 3.5 divided by 2.4 plus 2.1 is 4.5, 7.5. 3.5 by 7.5 equal to BF divided by T plus 2. 5.1 equal to CE divided by 3. Using that similar triangles, you get BF and ECF, CE. See, BF and CE will come. Show the calculation. And once you get BF and CE, if you want this angle, see, tan theta 1 equal to this side by this side. How much it is? CE 1.4 by 3, you will get the angle theta 1. If you want this angle, tan theta 2 equal to CE divided by this distance. CE is, how much CE? 1.4. This distance is 2.1. That's how you got that angle. Lastly, if you want theta 3, tan theta 3 equal to this side by this side. How much it is? 2.38 by 2.4. That's how you got the angle. First of all, I should not tell. In that class, very thoroughly told, but still I told. Okay. Now, serious work. Before I start, something I will tell and start. 1 minute. See, I'll put a light line here. So that separating line. Don't mix up now. Separating line. My entire calculation will be here. Now, see, first, before I start, I will tell something which is told many times. Still, pin-jointed plane frames with the 2 hinged support. Somebody will tell, sir, how many times, sir? First time told, second question told, one more question told. I think 8th or 9th time you are telling same thing, sir. Okay, there are people you don't know. 100 times if I tell also they make mistake. So, I told, my purpose is to give education. I have infinite patience. That is my quality. See, in teaching line, if patience is not there, you cannot teach. If somebody makes a mistake, you should correct it, not blame him. But if somebody is lazy, then blame him and scold him. Then use some rough language. But if somebody is not understanding properly, you guide him, not tell, hey, you are useless. No, don't tell that way. Every teacher who is in the field now, lecturer, who was once upon a time my student, so many are there. If they meet me and if they ask any suggestion, I will tell this thing for them. Don't do that one. You see that you give full effort. Somebody not understanding, lift them up. Give inspiration. Don't scold. Don't make them desperate or what you can call defeated. But if you scold them, they feel defeated. See, oh, I am good for nothing. You tell you are good for everything. Okay, leave it. Now, see. So I am telling, when you consider section XX, you can look either this right side here or left side. If support reactions are calculated, you are free. See, if you cut here, look this side. If you cut here, look this side. But if you cut here, better look left side, easy side. That is when that so many questions are solved. That is when support reactions are calculated. But pin-jointed plane frames with the two hinged support, you need not find support reactions. Why all? No, now I can't tell. There's a limit for it. I told it more than 10-15 times. So make a note, this question, we are not finding support reaction. Since we are not finding support reaction, wherever you take section, you should not look that side. Because see, if you look that side, support reaction will come. See, just like you are not, just because you are not finding support reaction, it does not mean that support reactions are not there. It is there. See, when you go to SFD, BMD, I will tell. For cantilever beam, most of the cases, for practical design or so many questions, you need not find support reactions. I will tell, consider free end side. That's all. Free end side. Don't tell right side. See, I will tell free end side. If fix here, free there, look this side. Or if fixed here, free this side, look this side. I always tell free end side. But there also I will tell, even if you look free end side, see, cantilever, even if suppose some loads are given, okay. Even if you look free end side, I will tell, do one thing, you mark reaction. Just to show that reactions are there, but tell it, hey, I am not seeing you. I am looking that side. See, I am not looking at you. But just because I am not looking at you, don't tell you are not there. This is there. Without reaction, beam will not stand. Unless someone will comment then, sir, possible, sir. Unless. What? Someone will tell, sir, in case of footing slab, sir, the pressure will balance the load. See, pressure also is a reaction. Keep quiet. I will tell them. Half knowledge, don't talk with me. Sir, it is not support. Who told? It is a support only. For the footing, soil is a spread support. Oh yes, sir, correct. Then, so don't talk nonsense in front of me. Do not tell something, and if I tell something, try to contradict it. My statement, you cannot give contradiction, remember, because I tell the truth. I don't tell wrong things. Okay, leave it. Okay, therefore, every section, make a note here. All the 4 questions, we will look other side where supports are not there. In this question, we will look right side. Same thing, I will give homework for you later. See, if it is by chance given this way all, then wherever you cut, look left side. I will give an exercise for you later. Later when I go for exercises, I will give it. Okay. This also make a note. Okay. Now, serious work. 1 over. Calculation of axial forces in members BC, CE and ED BC, CE and ED by method of sections. See, this is a last chance for you. Now onwards, this much I will not explain. So, what you are doing now? Calculation of axial forces. I never call forces C. I give respect to subject. Force in a member is a wrong concept. It is called axial force. People don't know difference between moment and bending moment. What to do? See, they should learn those things. This I am not underlining because it will change, keep on changing. Okay, sections. First step, see. Consider, red color will come now. Consider section XX. And one more thing, make a note. All the 4 questions, make a note. You treat as independent question. Independent. Among the 4, only 1 question will be given. Consider section XX. See, section XX. Now, cutting above 3 members. Those 3 members. Above 3 members. Okay. Actually, I should write 3 THREE. Okay. Space problem. Above 3 members. Okay. Now, see here. What I am doing. In the reference sketch, see, which one tell me? BC, see here, this member. BC, CE and ED. Oh, this and this means, see. Okay. XX, remember, look which side. We cut here, from here, see. I don't do light, every time that one, see. Little this way. Okay. Look. This side. Okay. See now. C intact, D intact. C intact, D intact. That's all. Only 2 points intact. C, D. At C, there is a load of 30 kilonewton. Systematically do it. At D, there is a load of 10 kilonewton down and 12 kilonewton left. See, this is the procedure also. Then, that's all. This is the point C. This is the point D. Then, from C, see, you come up to section, little distance this side, okay. Little this side, black color. From C, little down. From D, little inclined, see, this way, over. That's all. So, now, show your section, red color. Same way, see. Okay. XX. So, that side, you write everything. Oh, now, this, then, mark the forces, see. Cut member, C, always mark outwards. C, force for which one? C to B. You name it. PCB. This is PCE. See, show going away from the joint. PCE. This is P, D, see, from here, from D towards E. P, D, E. Okay, now 1 minute now. Section. Okay, no problem. Little bigger required. Okay, yes, little bigger required for some reason. Okay, we can manage. We can manage, no problem. Okay. Now, manage. You write bigger. This distance is 3 meters. See, which are known distances. So many people will tell you these are the external forces, these are the internal forces. Very sorry, they do not know the concept. Okay, everything is external only. Okay, no problem. See, this member you require angle. Oh, theta 1. Now calculate this side by this side. I got 25.017 degrees right here. 25.017 degrees. Enter here. Okay, now anything else required? Nothing. Over. Always first take moment about the point where two unknowns are meeting. See, these are the two unknowns are meeting at the dark make here. See, dark and make here. Sigma m about C0. Take clockwise positive. Write why you took moment about. See, you write the reason. I told here where two unknowns are meeting. So that if you take moment about this point, see, PCE into 0, PCE also into 0, these two into 0, 30 also 0, even 12 also into 0. Only this force and this force. So, PDE, see here, PDE is the force multiplied by O. Make a note here. PDE is an inclined force. Since it is inclined force, what you can do is, I will push a little more now. Hey, PDE, come a little more distance, please. Please. I want some space there. PDE. Okay. Request. I request you to come this side. I'll tell you why. I don't want to spoil the sketch. Okay. Now, if some in the offline class, some people will tell, what? Sir, you are again telling now vertical force into horizontal distance, horizontal force into vertical distance, inclined force is perpendicular distance. Yes, I am telling it. No, sir, please. Why? Sir, we are not primary school. You told it thousands of times, sir. Not required. But still I will tell. Now I will not tell. Okay. So, this inclined force into perpendicular distance. Oh, therefore some problem here. Why? From C, still I have to extend it. See, I'll do one thing now. This side puts little bigger side. And please, Anna, please go this side. P, space problem. CE and PDE. Hey, you please come little more distance. Okay, come here, come up to here. P, what? DE. Okay. Therefore, make a note here. PDE into perpendicular. So do one thing, see here. From C, draw perpendicular. Green color, sorry, green color. Perpendicular is always green color. See. Draw perpendicular H to line of action of this one. So therefore, right here, PDE into H. You should write here, see, write statement here. Draw, see, I am dictating. Draw perpendicular H from C to line of action of PDE. Then sigma m0 is plus PDE into HY plus clockwise. See, Y plus means clockwise. What else I can tell? Plus PDE into H and then plus 10 into 3 equal to 0. Now, you cannot get the answer unless you get the H value. So, now you require H value. See, simple question. To get H value, see, consider this triangle. See there? Sin 25, if I explain all these, it becomes PUC mathematics class. See here, this is perpendicular, 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. See, when it is 90, this is hypotenuse. Sin what? 25.017 equal to your perpendicular H, green color H, divided by 3. Therefore, you get the value of H in meter. There is a calculator. See, one I will solve in front of you, one I will write and explain. Same thing, to save the time. 3 into sine 25.017. 1.2687 meter. Correct? Huh? 1.2687 meter. 1.2687 meter. Therefore, substituting, we get the value of which one? You get the value of PDE. See, PDE will come. So, show the calculation. How much it is? 10 into 3 divided by 1.2867. 23.315. Is it 23.315 correct? Where is the answer there? PD is 20, no, it is not 23 point. Something went wrong. What is the angle? Theta 1 is correct. 1 Nisha. That is 1.4. 1.4 divided by 3. Shift tan inverse answer. 25.017. So 3 h by 3. 3 divided by 3 into sine 25.017 is 1.201. See, it is 1.2867. 1.2687. Oh, see, reading problem. 1.0867. It is 1.2687. 26, how much? 1.2687 meter. See, ABC become ACB. ABCD become ACBD. What to do? So, see, these mistakes are human nature. I saw correctly there. When I wrote what? 1.2867. Okay, then 10 into 3 divided by 1.2687 equal to, see, I will tell you one thing. When I saw the answer there, see here, 23.647 we got. I got some other answer. I never got panic. Not at all tensed, nothing, free, nothing to worry. I am enjoying. Means I made some calculation mistake. Not calculation mistake, writing mistake, reading mistake. Okay, 20 minus, you will get the answer, minus 23.646. 646 kilonewton is the answer. Okay. 23.646 we got by method of section. Okay, now make a note here. See, you write all these. See, you write all these. Make a note. Right here. Or, write one more thing. Or, class, something I'm explaining now. Right? There are so many people who get confusion. These perpendiculars are okay. In case you are getting confusion, what to do is, do not draw perpendicular. Leave it. No, nothing required. This inclined force moment you want, take green color. See the point through which it passes. Any one point, it passes through D. Go to D and this force you resolve into component. See, vertically down, green color. See, why? Color important to understand. You make a pencil mark here. Vertically down component, see, horizontally left component. Vertical component is sine. See, vertical component is sine, horizontal is cos. I think so many will tell, sir, this is much easier, sir. Okay, done. But I want always basic, technical, I want to give technical knowledge. Then, what happens? See there? Then, see, when you make sigma m about c equal to 0, take clockwise positive. See? See here. Horizontal component will pass through C. No moment. Why? See, this horizontal component will pass through C. But vertical component, how much it is? Vertical component is PDE into sine of 25.017, that is the vertical component, into how much? into 3, then plus 10 into 3 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PDE. 23.647. Oh, see, slight difference. It is minus 23.647. If you want to get 647 here, what you do is, you write this H as, see here, 3 into sine 25.017 is 1.26866. Okay, I'll do one thing now. I'll write here 1. To get more accuracy, 1.26866. In that case, this will come, see, 10 into 3 divided by 1.26866. 23.647 will come. Okay, see, it came. Here also 647. See, this point not 1. If someone comments, he should depart from seeing what? My classes. If someone comments, sir, 23.647 there. So, sir, you got 23.646. So wrong, sir. Okay, wrong. Okay, done. Over. So you go for any one of the option. Okay. Next step, see. Next. Sigma V equal to 0. I write here. Sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. See here. Minus PCE. Minus PCE into sine 25.017, then minus, that is for that one. I am writing PCE. Okay. I thought I am writing that force. Okay. Minus PCE, then minus PDE sine 25.017. See, minus PCE minus sine, then minus 30 minus 10. Minus 30 minus 10 equal to 0. By this time, you know the value of PDE. That you should do it. Right here. Substituting for PDE, whatever you got, therefore you get PCE in kilonewton. If you cannot do this way, don't continue my class. If you are so lazy, if you expect me to write all these things, don't continue my class. 23.647 into sine 25.017 over minus 30 minus 10 is minus 29.9999. Oh, 29.99999 means how much it is? Minus 30. Minus 30 kilonewton. Then lastly, sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. See here. See now this is over. PCE over, P this one over. Now lastly, minus PCB minus PDE cos 25.017, then minus 12 equal to 0. You know the value of PDE already known there. See, PDE is already known there. Therefore, substituting, you get PCB. PCB will come. 23.647 into cos 25.017 is something, then minus become plus, minus 12 is minus 9.428, minus 9.428 is minus PCB plus, so it is plus it is. It will come plus by mathematics, plus 9.428 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now do one thing. Lastly, somewhere here, I'll do one thing now. A minus 12, come this side please. Minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. This space I want permanently for presentation. right here. Therefore, presentation. Axial force in which member? See there, right here only. Axial force in BC equal to then axial force in CE. Little more down I can come. Space is there. I'll check later. And lastly, axial force in ED. ED equal to, see here. BC, where is the answer? BC here. BC CB, 9.428 kilonewton. 9.428 kilonewton bracket, what called? Positive came. Positive means tension, or I'll do one thing now. I'll put kilonewton down. Tension that side. See that much. Kilonewton. See. Tension, tensile, axial force in CE minus 30. So 30 kilonewton. Compression. Last one is which one? ED. 23.647. 23.647 kilonewton. Space, some little space required. Nature minus came, therefore compression. This Y minus is compression. When you get to minus, Y you write the answer in compression. Answer is compression. Y if you get plus, you write tension. I will not tell now. If you do not understand, only possibility is you are coming first time to the class. Go back. Go back. No, I have no time. Then don't continue my class. Don't continue. Today only leave. That's all. Okay, now check. See, I am not a rude person or arrogant person. But while teaching this type of questions or for this type of behavior, not willing to study, it requires harsh language only. But I talk decent language. See, I never use foul language or very abusive language. No. I everywhere, outside the life, everywhere, foul language will never come from me. We are brought up like that. Okay, start. Check the answer. BC, 9.428 BC. Oh, yes. Tension. 30 compress. Yes. 23.647, 23. Where's one? ED. Where is ED? D. Oh, yes. Yes, perfectly correct. So, question number 1 over. Now go to question number 2. Not 2, 2 dot. Okay. 2 dot. Calculation of axial forces in the members. Don't do this way. BC, someone will tell, see the sir, he is looking somewhere there. I told where I am looking. BC, BE and one more, EF. What you have to do is, see, you once again write this sketch, reference sketch, or you attach the Xerox copy here. See, I told you, perfect understanding is when you take independent. Okay, now, which members? BC, this is BC. BE, this member, and EF. Oh, these 3 members. A theta 2. Please go, come this side. Theta 2. You are disturbing me. Theta 2. Okay. Green color required. Okay. Green color required. Okay, no problem. It will tell, I was earlier green color. You suddenly made me black color now. Okay, boss. No problem. Small things, but theta 2. See. This member, see. Cut. XX. Look this side. Okay. Consider section XX. Cutting above 3 members. See. Above 3 members. Now, see. Joints. This I am not removing. Oh, I forgot write one thing last time. See, I last time forgot write one thing. Write it. I forgot it. See, you should write one thing statement there. I forgot here. Last time I forgot write. Consider, I forgot, equilibrium of pin jointed frame to, I told, this side, right of XX. I forgot to write that one, sorry. To right of XX. See, this is forgotten. So, this will come every question now. Forgotten, write it. Actually, every question I write it. Okay. But see, this mark will not do. Now, C intact, E intact, D intact. See, C intact, here. C intact, D intact. Intact means no disturbance. And also E. This is, one load is there here. 30 kilonewton, a force of 10 kilonewton, and also a force of 12 kilonewton. This member is here. No angle for that one. See, this is point is C, this is D, this is E. At E, one force is there. How much? 15 kilonewton. This is your E. Okay. Now, you may require this distance. This is 3 meter. 3 meter. And you may require this height. See, you may require this height. See, when you take moment here, 12, depend on minute here. Depending on which point you take moment, you will see 1 minute now. Then, now, one member, see, now extend here. From C, a little more length, little, see, continue the same line, little more length, and other is what? Other is, oh, there is one member goes this way, one goes this way. See here, this way it goes. Little more length, okay. Cut. Now, this force is P. See? This force is P. CB. This force is, continue, P. EB. PEB. See here, E to B. This force continued is P. EF. EF. Now, there are two inclined members. So, light line mark here. You require this angle and this angle. This angle is, see, angle made by this member with horizontal is here, theta 1. How much? 23.017. See, I think I should take a little more this side. Space, see, writing angle, there is no space here. So, I will continue little more length. See, little more length, so that I can mark the angle clearly. Okay, see, 23.017 degrees. This is small I am writing, 0.17. Okay, okay. You can see how much importance I am giving for each and everything. 0.17 degrees. Other member, see, no, that is this angle, not that one. 23.017 degrees for this member. That member, see, angle made by this member with horizontal is, see, this theta 2, 23.69 degrees. 33.69 degrees. Okay, now, cut. Okay, now, forces. P, CB, see, some space problem is there. P, which one? EB, EB, P, EF. here over. Now anything over? That is 3 meter. Height we will see later. Angles are over. See, first, space problem is there now. I should write here now. Sigma m about which point? Take moment about the point where two unknowns are meeting. PEF and PEB are meeting at E. See, about E equal to 0, E. About E equal to 0, take clockwise positive. See, write why you took moment about E. Question mark. Okay, now, when you take moment about E, see, these force into this height required. So, light line, you mark what is this height. That is this height, CE. CE, we already got here, see, 1.4 meter. If it is already not got, calculate now. By similar triangles, calculate. What you do? AG divided by this distance equal to CE divided by this distance. See, this is not required, theta 3 is not required. Okay. Now take moment about here. PCO, PCB into 1.4 anti-clockwise minus PCB into 1.4. See here, moment about this point. See, when you moment about this point, this into 0, see, this into 0, this into 0, this also into 0. So, minus PCB into 1.4 minus 12 also into 1.4, 12 into also 1.4. Then, see, this over minus, where is it? 1.4 plus 10 into 3 plus 10 into 3 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PCB. Correctly calculate PCB in kilonewton. PCB will come 12 into 1.4, calculate is not on, 12 into 1.4 into minus 1 plus 10 into 3 divided by 1.4. 9.4285. See, 9.4286 came. So therefore 9.429. Okay, whatever you get right here, don't see that answer. Sign is, oh, I forgot the answer. Answer, plus sign only. Plus 9.42, how much I told? 4 answer. 429. Third decimal is 429. Actually 4285. So okay, see here. That's okay. Okay, then next make this over. Sigma V0 upward positive. See here. See here. This is already, see, we got PCB here. This unknown. Minus PEF into sine of 23.017. Remove these marks now. That into is gone now. See? Minus that one. Again plus, see, 0.17 plus PEB sine of 33.69. Then this minus 30 minus 10 equal to 0. Both are unknown. You call this as equation number 1. Okay, then sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. Minus PEF cos 23.017 minus PEB cos 33.69 minus PCB, see, minus PCB, and then minus 12 equal to 0. But remember, PCB is already known to you. So here unknown is what? PEF, PEB. Here also PEF, PEB. PCB is already known. You call equation number 2. In the equation 2, you substitute PCB equal to what? 9.429. Now do one thing. Solving 1 and 2, we get PCF, PEF and which other one? PEB. PEB will see. Solving 1 and 2, okay, write neatly. Solving 1 and 2, you will get PEF and PEF. Let's check that. Okay, now camera I will check once. Too much down I come. Okay, reasonably okay. Now, since I am solving everything, I will complete this question now. See, I will complete it now. I will solve in front of you only. See, mode. What I will see. If you want, I will tell what I am doing now. I am going to equation mode. Mode shift alpha 1. No. Mode shift alpha A. Okay. Equation mode. Simultaneous equation. It is asking number of unknowns. 2. Okay, start. Coefficient. Minus sine 23.017 over this coefficient sine 33.69. Constant. These two will go that side. 30 plus 10. Okay. Equation 2. Coefficient minus cos 23.017. This coefficient minus cos 33.69. Constant minus PCB will go that side as plus PCB. Plus PCB means what? Plus 9.429 minus 12, that side will become plus 12. Plus 12 equal to 54 point. Where is the answer there? Anything wrong? I think something wrong, I think. I think something went wrong. I don't know what went wrong. Minus 12, minus 30, minus... yes, see here. Everything is okay. See here. Sigma V0, minus 30, minus 10. What about this one? See? Minus 15 equal to 0. Equation 1. So therefore, okay. I do one thing now. Which is wrong? The coefficient is wrong. Okay. I'll do the fourth one. That one. Fourth one is how much it is? 30 plus 10 plus 15. Whole. 68.969. Again, something wrong, I think. I don't know, calculator problem. See, this all, I am helpless. My calculator has got a lot of problems. Other one is 50.53. Which one? PEF. Where is PEF here? 67. It is giving 50. Okay, once again I will do it now. What to do? Okay. X coefficient. Minus sine 23.017. Correct? Yes. Next one. Minus, not minus, delete. Plus sine 33.69. 30, 15, 10. Okay. 30.69. Okay. That's how much answer? 9.429 compression tension. Okay. Then constant. 30 plus 10 plus 15. Anything pending? No. Equal to. Second round. Minus cos 23.017. Angle correct? Oh, it is not 23.017. It is 25.017. See, one writing mistake. See what happened. See here. It is 25.017. See, sometimes it happens. Night too late now. See, this is the what I can do. Sorry, 25.017. See, sometimes small mistakes will affect the answer. This is not technical mistake. So once again I have to do now. See, minus sine 25.017. Sine 33.69. Then 30 plus 10 plus 15. Okay. Second round. Cos 25.017 into minus 1. Okay. Next one. Minus cos 33.69. And constant minus PCB is plus PCB there. 9.429 and plus 12. Plus 12 equal to. What is this? It is telling 382. I think I don't know what to do for the calculator. See, These all beyond my control. Sine 25.017. Okay, let me struggle. Sorry, minus sine 25. I am not leaving it. 25.017. Sine 33.69. 30 plus 10 plus 15. Okay, here. Minus cos 25.017. Next, minus cos 33.69. Lastly, PCB 9.429 plus 12 equal to minus 67 point, yes, see, minus 67.464. Yes, see here. If I don't get the answer, I never get tension or worries. I know answer will come. No answer can escape from me. Remember, I got that confidence. I'm not seeing there. 47.720 I got. Kilonewton. See? Sorry, I took some 5 minutes wasted now. Around 5 minutes wasted. See, remember, in my entire teaching up to today, not a single time I got panic. Oh, what to do? What is this? No. Answer not telling, calculation mistake, writing mistake, observing mistake, wrong data, confusion. 7.85, you wrote 7.58. Human nature. But technical mistake is ruled out. I told, is ruled out. Okay. Now, we want force in BC, then what? BC, BE, and other more is EF. Okay, I write the answer now. EF. Presentation. See. First answer. Therefore, final answer. Force in BC. BC is PCB. Where is PCB? 9.429. 9.429 kilonewton plus km tension. Somebody may ask, sir, you wrote force in BC, sir, in the question, but we got force in CB. Leave my class. Don't continue. Don't come to my class once again. I will tell that way. I should talk that way only. See, Pxy equal to Pyx. Okay, then. Both ends are equal answer. Then. Axial force in BE. B, where is B? Oh, I think it is EB. Which one? This is not EF, this is EB. Right? Print mistake, EB. See, second one is EB here. EB is BE. How much? 47.720. 47.720 kilonewton. Sign came positive, so tension. Then last one. Force in which one? EF. Minus came, so 67.464 kilonewton. Negative came compression. Check the answer. BC 9.429 tension. Yes. BE 47.720 tension. BC. Which one? BE. B 46.47. Which one? BE. 47.72, 720, both are same. Okay. EF 67.464. EF 464. Perfectly correct. Now, 2 questions non-stop marathon. I did not pause the record. See, I was here only. I never left the board. So, this much I wrote in front of you. Remaining 2, I will write and explain. See, there is a limit for everything. Otherwise, class will go to another 45 minutes. No. Remaining 2, I will write. See, writing, explaining, doing in front of you, both are same. But actually, sometimes what happens is, sometimes writing in front has got more value. Why? You are involved more. Okay, this much is sufficient. So, remaining 2, I will write now and explain. Okay, I will come back. I will continue. Little fast I will do now. See. 3. Calculation of axial forces in AB, BF and EF. See. Once again put the sketch. See. AB, BF and EF. See here. XX. Look this side. So BCDE intact. BCDE intact. 2.13. This height is 1.4. Now PBA. See here. PBA. This force. PBF down. PEF. This inclined force. Angle is, see, for this member angle is theta 1, 25.017. 25.017. See, last time I took 23, gave trouble to me, remember? Okay. Start. Take moment about any point. Not any point, sorry. That is my usual habit. See, actually you can take moment about any point, but it will become lengthy. So take moment about the point where maximum unknowns, two unknowns are meeting, B. So sigma B, tell YB moment, see here. Now inclined force. This inclined force into perpendicular. I will do one thing, little laborious. So you write there. See, you can do it, don't think you cannot do it. See, from this one, from the point B, you require a perpendicular here, see. That perpendicular if you require this length by trigonometry. This angle will be known for you. Using trigonometry, get the perpendicular. No. Right there. You can, those who are serious, outside show the calculation, mark a perpendicular here and get it. See. Someone will tell, sir, I want that way. Then try it. You are learning. But for general people, when such confusion is there, see, this inclined force is passing to the point E. Any point where it passes, horizontal component cos, see, vertical component sine. This 15 is already there, extra. Okay, now take moment. See, this horizontal component, PEF cos of this angle into 1.4 clockwise, vertical component, that is PEF sine 25.017 into 2.1 clockwise, plus 30 into 2.1, plus 10 into 5.1, 12 into 0, plus 15 also into 2.1, equal to 0. You get the value of PEF. Sigma V0, upward positive. This, see, PEF is already calculated. See, you know it. You note it here. This is known. Minus PBF, minus this force into sine of this angle, minus 20, minus 30, minus 10, minus 15 equal to 0. Substitute the value of PEF, whatever you got there, you will get PBF minus 46.470. Sigma H0, right side positive. Last unknown, this also over now. Minus PBA, minus this component, minus 12 equal to 0. This force already known for you, substitute, you get PBA. Okay, fast I will do. Therefore, presentation. Axial force in AB, 49.135 tension. Why? Positive came. See, 49.133. 0.002 is not error. Axial force in BF, 46.470 compression. BF. See, correct. Force in that one is EF, 67.464 compression. Yes, see, perfectly matching. And now the last one, fourth one. Fourth one. Calculation of axial forces in the members. Which member? AB, comma, AF and FG. By method of sections. All same statement. See, come here. Write this sketch once again. Now, see which member? This one. So, hey, not a member, go that side. You tell, not a member. Go that side. See, directly cut here. XX. And look this side. Some will tell, sir, left is easier. Left is easier, but then reactions required. So this already told. This type of frame, you are compelled to look right side only. Okay. I'll finish the question now in a single stretch. Okay. Where is the rubbing? Here. Okay. I don't want to take a rest actually like that. I want to finish this question now. Little briefly I will solve. So much explained. No one can explain more. So final answer also I will prepare now. Force in which one? AB. Oh, AB is intact. Okay. AB. Then AF. Last answer you require. In AF and FG. FG. Okay. Answer we'll see later. Hope it will tally. Okay, start. See, cut here. B, C, D intact. B, C, little down. Okay. This ink sometimes gives trouble. See, a mark will be there. This all I can eliminate by going for what? Electronic port. Okay. B intact. C intact. D intact. Then E also intact. F also intact. Means continue this line up to here. See, exactly below. F also intact. See, B 20 kilonewton. B. C 30 kilonewton. D. How much? 10 kilonewton and 12 kilonewton. Okay. 12 kilonewton. This is D. This is E. Download of 15 kilonewton. One more load of 18 kilonewton here. 18 kilonewton. This is what? Which point? E. This is F. Okay. Then this distance is required. 2.1 meter. Here there is no place to write. Usually I write here. There is no place there. 2.1. This is 3 meter. Okay. And you may require this height. That height is how much? 1.4 meter. And also you may require, see, this height. You may require it. Write it here. You may require it. How much it is? 2.38 meter. All calculated. 2.38 meter this side. Then your section goes how? Oh, this member also intact. See, intact. Then little this side. Continue and continue. Okay, this way. See. Okay. This is P, BA, P, FA, P, FG. FG. Now, for this inclined member, this angle is this angle 25.017 25.017 degrees, and this angle is 30. No. That angle is theta 3, 44.760 degrees. See, 44.760 degrees. Be careful. For this member with horizontal is theta 3, 44.76. This member horizontal is theta 1, 25. Okay. Everything is over? Yes. Now, see, 1 minute now. 2.13, 20th, 1 minute, I'll first write here. So that sigma m about, no chance to be taken. Before rubbing out, sigma m about. Among all these three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting here. See, f. About f equal to 0, take clockwise positive. So take moment about f. If you take moment about f, this into 0, this into 0, this also into 0, even this also into 0. So start. Minus PBA minus PBA into 1.4. See here, minus PBA into 1.4 anti-clockwise. Then plus 30 into 2.1 plus 10 into 5.1 minus 12 into this height, minus 12 into this height, that is 2.38. Then plus 15 into 2.1 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PBA in kilonewton. This I will check it now. Other two I won't check. I got confidence. You do it. 30 into 2.1 plus 10 into 5.1 plus 0 minus 12 into 2.38 plus 15 into 2.1. Net answer is positive. Divided by 1.4. Net answer is positive. PB, oh yes, attention, correct. 83 point, where is 83 there? Divided by 1.4, 83 point. P, which one? PAB is how much? 49. Something wrong, one minute. Something went wrong. Minus PBA into, oh sorry, see, minus PBA into not 1.4. Be careful. See, when you take moment here, I saw distance there. See, I thought that is this distance. See, minus PBA into this distance. How much? It is not 1.4. What foolish thing is this? Into 2.38. See? Okay. It is not a mistake made by me. I thought this distance is somewhere there. I did not see properly. See? Minus this into this distance. So I don't think now. What answer I got? I will multiply by 1.4 divided by 2.38. 49.134. See? Plus 49.134. I got it. 134 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now, it is for you. If you are serious, do it. If you are not serious, don't do anything. What I can tell. See? Now, if you cannot solve the question, okay, here I do. Okay, start. Sigma V equal to 0. Upward positive. Start. Minus PFG sine 25.017 plus PFA, see, this is down, that is up, plus PFA sine 44.760, this is not there, minus 20, minus 30, minus 10, minus 15, minus 18 equal to 0, you call equation number 1 in terms of unknowns. See, now PBA is known, other two are unknown. Okay. Sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive. Unknown first. Minus PFG cos 25.017 minus PFA it is, minus PFA cos 44.760 minus PBA, then minus 12 equal to 0. PBA is known to you. Substitute PBA, this number. So unknowns are still these two. So this is equation number 2. This is the known value now. See, known value. Solving 1 and 2, you will get PFG and P, which one? FG and PFA. Who will solve now? Do you think I will solve now? FG. Where is FG there? FG. Minus 116.249. Yes, there is a limit for everything. Who is teaching, who is studying here? Other one is PFA. AF. Plus 62.26. See, I have not solved actually. I copied the answer. Maybe 248, 250, 251, 259, 260, 261. That is okay, no problem. Okay. Last answer. Axial force in AB. 49.134. 134. Compression, minus plus came, tension. See, that much tension, kilonewton. Axial force in AF, 62.26 kilonewton. 26 kilonewton, okay. Nature, it came what? Positive, tension. Then lastly, FG, 116.249 kilonewton. Compression. Why? Negative came. Okay, start. AB 49.134. Yes. AF 62.26 tension. 62.26 tension. Yes. 116.249 compression. Yes. See? Tally. Perfectly tallying. At the end, I got too tired. So, little fast tired. Sorry, one thing forgotten here. See? One member is missing here. But actually no effect because it is not considered. But still looks ugly. Looks ugly actually. Okay. It does not matter. If the member is not cut, force is not considered there. Only that's why you take only external forces. Okay. Now this master question, study thoroughly. Next class we will meet. Thank you.